Hello everybody, today we're going to be making lentil soup. You can take a screenshot of the ingredients that we listed in the right hand corner. Otherwise, we're just going to get right into it with 2 small onions. Finally, chop them up horizontally and vertically to get this very nice and consistent chopping look of the onion. And then in a separate pot, you're going to add some olive oil, and then you're just going to put them all in. Let it simmer for a little bit as we add the rest of our ingredients. I believe you can also use avocado oil for this dish, not necessarily olive oil, but whatever you have on you / prefer. Once you're done mixing that up, add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper. It looks like a consistent thing is always 1 teaspoon of pepper in this channel, so just set that aside for the pepper. And then you're going to add 2 cups of red lentils, which is pretty funny because the final dish looks nothing like this red color, so don't let that fool you or dissuade you in any way from trying out this dish. So don't think anything went wrong, you know? This color isn't going to be the same later. You didn't mess anything up, we promise. So add some hot water until we reach a little more than a knuckle length of your finger, like how you make rice. So make sure to add enough water, depending on the creaminess or how thick you want it. And next we're going to add paprika, 1 teaspoon of that, like the pepper. And we're going to also be adding some onion powder, 1 teaspoon of that as well, also like the pepper, and also like the paprika. Forget what I said about the teaspoon just being the black pepper, by the way. This is definitely not the case in this video. Add again 1 teaspoon of vegetable bouillon powder, bouillon, yeah. And we're gonna let all of that marinate all yummy in there and cover it with a lid and stir it intermittently so that we don't have clumps sticking out. And yeah, look at that, looks great. And if you want, you can use a hand mixer or blender type thing, like I said before, to make the texture more creamy or more thick or whatever suits you the best. And we can top off our soup with some yummy green onion, radishes, parsley, and lemon juice. Whatever you want. Happy lentiling, bye!